Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Vivek here, and today we are going to unbox the Telesin camera suction cup bracket, which will mount to my GoPro, which will in turn mount to the windshield of a car. And this is the packaging, and I bought this on Amazon for 1,900 rupees. So this is made in China. Let's go ahead and unbox the product. Let's see what we have inside. So first up is the adapter. This is for the mobile holder or the Insta360 action camera, and this is the main product. And they have also supplied me with a mobile holder. This can be used to mount the mobile onto the device. And let us open this up. And there are a few other things here. These are cleaning wet wipes, and this is the instruction manual. Let's put this aside and go to the main product. Now this is the main device. As you can see, it has a double ball head, and this is used to loosen the device, and this can go in any direction. And on this side is the vacuum suction cup. Let's remove this cover. So how you mount the device is push this lever up, put it on the windshield of your car, and press this down and tighten this lever so that so you can see that this is a slippery surface, so it will not mount properly on this. But if you mount it on the glass windshield of your car, it will have a secure mount. I'll show you that in a separate video. And let's go ahead and mount this. This also comes with a bolt to mount your GoPro action camera on this. So let's loosen this up a bit, and I shall show you how this mounts. So these are the two notches, and this goes like this, and you put the screw in. And this is how it mounts to the suction cup. This can be mounted anywhere, even on the bonnet of the car, or if you want some fancy action shots, or even the door of the car. But keep in mind that you cannot go too fast while this is mounted, or you may risk dropping the camera, and obviously it will get damaged. So this is my short video of the Telesin Suction Mount Cup. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.